I have a good news and I have a bad news. Bad news first, Goldman Sachs predicts 300 million jobs will be lost or degraded by artificial intelligence. Now, whether it will impact you or not, right now or later, AI is here and robots are coming and taking over. If a bot can do the job, why would I spend money on employees? Business owners are thinking like that. And employees are learning AI so they don't get laid off. What are you doing? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can make $13,000 a month using AI. All right, this $13,000 is a number from our results. We cannot guarantee that you are going to make exact number because we don't know you. We don't know your position. We don't know your work ethics. Who are you? Where you're from? So the guarantee works for us. In your case, it may be more, can be less. The first one in the list is a multi-language AI avatar creator, heygen.com.
Hey there.
Here's how it works.
Welcome to HeyGen, where you can create and translate videos without a camera or crew. I may not look like it, but I'm an AI avatar, and I can speak your audience's language. Hablo 175 idiomas. Sie können auch vorhandene Videos mit KI-Stimme und Lippensynchronisation übersetzen. That's the magic of HeyGen. What can we help you create?
That was amazing. Now look at this one. You can do it from your phone.
I am an AI twin fully generated in the Captions app. Let me show you how you can create your own AI twin in seconds. Just open the Captions app and head to AI Creator. From here, select AI Twin. Then all you need to do is film yourself for 1 minute following their script. And boom, you have your own avatar. Now you can create more personal avatars for different scenarios and can create any video of yourself that you want on the fly. It is a total game changer. Try it for yourself. It is wild.
What? Now I'm thinking, am I real in this video or AI? I leave the decision to you. Next, AI website builders. Without AI website builder, you spend a lot of time, like huge amount of time. And without a website, you're not even on the internet. TeleportHQ.io gives you an AI website builder. And how can you make money with it? Look at this guy. He charges $570 for a WordPress website design and development. And now you can do it with this amazing application. Write a prompt and click next, then choose the color and themes. And now AI will build your website completely automatically. Now you want to add something, change something, do it, and your website is ready. And now go and make money like this. There is another way you can make money is get a job like this, then hire this guy, get the job done, deliver to your client, and just keep the difference. That is called arbitrage. Now, photo editor and background removal from photos is an evergreen job, high demand. Look what happened. This software does background removal amazingly. Look at this, almost perfect. Now the reason I said almost perfect because I tested it and it was not really 100% perfect, but that's probably because I have a lot of beard that AI could not remove the background from, but in most cases this is perfect. Now the next one is Midjourney to create AI images. And what are you gonna do with AI images? Go to Etsy.com. Etsy has 417 million monthly visitors. So the traffic is built in. The customers are already there. Look at this. This store has over 4,000 rating and reviews. They sell wallpaper. You can also sell your wallpaper at Displate.com. Displate is pretty amazing.
I'm pretty proud of myself that after a few years and a lot of hard work, I've achieved 30,000 Displates sold. That's about close to 90,000 US dollars. I'm pretty happy with that, obviously. I was able to purchase a car and it certainly changed my life for the better. Displate's been one of my favorite experiences in the print-on-demand world. And I'm going to share with you in this video the top 10 things that I've learned selling on Displate. Hopefully this will help.
So Displate can make you money. However, there is a problem. It's not easy to get approved. But the good news, there is a solution.
Number one that I've learned is that it is difficult to get accepted as an artist on Displate. So here's what the page looks like. It says contact us or email join@Displate, and you'll see it says here send us a link to your online portfolio. So what I would recommend is that you go to a website like Behance, for example, and set up an online portfolio. Or if you already have your own website, or if you have a graphic design website, make sure to sell yourself to Displate.
So just prepare yourself before you apply to join Displate and you're good to go. Now you must be thinking, Mosh, where is the money? We're just talking about the AI AI application. Where is my $13,000? So look at these numbers. These are per visitor value, or in other words, these are the value of the traffic. When we send this traffic to any affiliate offer, we make money when people buy from us. So every visitor is valuable. How much value? From this column, we can see the average visitor value is 93 cents, which means in order to make $900, we just need to send 1,000 visitors. In order to make $9,000, you need to send 10,000 visitors. Another example, we made these 2 ChatGPT AI agents and sold them in the market, and we made $1,300 selling these AI agents. But we made $17,259 by using just one of those agents. If you think this is something that you want to learn more about, there is a link in the description. Go check that link. It will take you to a complete training where we explain you step by step what we do and how we help beginners to get this kind of results. And at the end, we will tell you about our program. The video is completely free to watch. Go ahead, watch the video, and we will see you inside. And if you want to learn more about making money online, getting free traffic, watch these videos and these videos. Subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet. Hit the like button, share with your friends and family, and we will see you on the next video.